Clarification of the rules, folks. Once you come down, your count is officially over. You cannot come down off the bar. The rest of our ladies here as we come towards the end of our pull-up contest. After this, we will have our award ceremony for the 6-mile obstacle races. Now remember, ladies, you cannot come down off the bar, okay? So once you come down, it's over. So currently, no, just this. Can you help? Okay. Ready? Begin. Here we are underway. Remember, do not come off